Looking to slash your energy bills and boost your home's efficiency? Electrical contractors often recommend a few key upgrades that make a huge difference. First off, swapping out your old bulbs for LED lighting is a no-brainer. They use way less power and last forever, so you save cash and hassle. Next up, smart thermostats are super popular because they learn your schedule and adjust the temperature automatically, which means less wasted energy heating or cooling an empty house. Solar panel wiring is another big one. If you're thinking about going green, hooking up solar panels lets you generate your own power and cut down on those monthly electric bills. Also, upgrading to energy-efficient appliances like refrigerators and washers can seriously lower your electricity use. Make sure to check the Energy Star rating when shopping around. Don't forget about proper insulation and sealing leaks around windows and doors. It keeps your home warmer or cooler without extra energy. And finally, ask your contractor about energy audits. They help spot where your home is losing power and what upgrades will give you the best bang for your buck. One of the biggest mistakes people make with energy-efficient upgrades is going cheap on installation. Poor wiring or setup can actually waste energy or cause safety issues. Always hire a licensed electrical contractor who knows what they're doing. Another common issue is ignoring the compatibility of new gadgets with your existing system, like installing a smart thermostat without the right wiring. It won't work properly and just causes frustration. Lastly, some folks don't maintain their upgrades, like cleaning solar panels or replacing old bulbs promptly, which leads to less efficiency over time. Staying on top of maintenance is key. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource that connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about energy-efficient upgrades. Plus, it helps contractors find real work by putting them in touch with people looking to improve their homes.